Hey Jace, my name is Afan and I am from Seattle SEO and you spoke on the phone yesterday regarding this video. Basically, in this video, I will show you the top things you can do today to help bring in more clients. Now, before we get into it, I know you're probably still on the edge of whether you need this, which I completely understand. But the world is digitalizing at a faster rate than ever seen before, so it is critical to know what you need to do to stay on top of your game. That is why I am offering you a free attack plan of actual things you can do to maximize the success of your company. And like I said, it's completely free and doesn't constitute as some kind of agreement between us. So by the end of this video, if you like it, feel free to send me a quick message of what you liked and we can set up a time to chat. If you, however, didn't like it or you want to take action yourself, that's perfectly fine. Like I said, I'm just here to help you and I want to give you all the information you need to succeed. So let's dive right into it. First thing to improve is you guys need at least 1500 words on your homepage to rank with Google. I use a simple word counter to find out that you guys only have 521. Your top competitor, Tubcove, actually has 1189. Very beatable considering that they are also not performing at the most optimal position. Now, I would move on to the actual content of your site and look at the keywords via Ahrefs, but it looks as if you guys are sitting at 23,200 keywords, which is a huge amount, which should be perfect, and your top keywords are ranking at 98,000, 7,400, and 13,000 in volume. So that's perfectly set for you. With that being said, you can still tweak your word count. That's the only place that you can tweak it, and you can fit a lot more keywords in those 1,000 words that you are lacking. The benefit of keywords is that the volume rating on these keywords displays how often the customer searches these words. So if a website ranks high in these high-hitting words, clients will see your company on the top of their list and click into your site more often. Now moving on to the second most important aspect, the Google Map Pack. Here's an example. When I search a bathroom remodel, I see this map right here generated by Google and a couple of companies right here. This is the map pack. It shows the names, phone numbers, and locations of several businesses. And it is critical to be on this map pack. And your competitor, Tubcove Inc., is on this map pack. Why is it critical? Think about a time of when you are trying to find a nearby business for any reason. Coffee, restaurant, library, you name it. When you search those terms up, Google provides a map pack of nearby businesses that match your keyword. And most people end up clicking one of these sites rather than scrolling because it's just more convenient. If your company lands the map pack, clients will instantly click into your site for any bathroom remodeling. Now the tricky question is, how do you rank them though? Citations. We use a service known as whitespark.ca, which costs around $30 to $70 a month, depending on which plan you go. And on it, we see that your site, BathPlanet, has 19 citations. Tubcove has 46, and that has allowed it to stay on the map pack. 46 is very easy to beat, and Whitespark even allows you to click into their 46 citations, see where they submitted it, and you can even submit your business into them as well. A red dot signifies that Whitespark has determined that you can submit a listing. So all you have to do is go into their Whitespark citations and just link up your company to those directories. So just to conclude, I'll give you a couple of hints as to what to improve. Number one, your homepage needs to have at least 1500 words. And number two, you need to boost your citations to at least 150 to 200 to stay way ahead of your competitors. And if you implement these tips today, you will be number one across Google. Now what? Well, you can go with this information I gave you today and do it by yourself, which is completely fine. However, if you want the most efficient and effective route, you can work with Seattle SEO and we will take care of all this for you. You can call me at 425-532-3521. Once again, this is Afan from Seattle SEO and I hope to hear from you soon. Goodbye and take care.